No, Matthew, watch the road! So now we're going quadding again. I'm just gonna film them while they go on it. It was pretty fun. I went on earlier. Well, I mean, we already showed the other clips, but we're going again because it was fun. They're trying to start it up. It's a little slow right now. We have like a foot of snow right now. It's so deep.
Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gonna phase me. No fake accounts like KD. Doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to. Every time that I come through, take shots, but I'm gun proof. Know that I'm shooting right back. Killing them when I be dropping the track. Killing them and they be bringing it back. Killing them so I be wearing all black. Always been ready. This ain't a game, no confetti. I got my aim and I'm steady. I got the tools like Ed and Eddie. I pull up and I let it go. No reply, but I read it though. Let my music just tell it though. All my shit been selling, so I know you heard it. I tell the truth, no rewording. I'm telling facts, I'm assertive. It's building up like a burden. I got the weight on my shoulders. I'm gonna battle like soldiers. I'm always keeping composure. Nobody stopping my motor, and I'm gonna go and get everything I really wanted. I don't care about money, but keep it 100. Invest in myself when the money was running, cause I just knew everyone really would love it. I don't want fame, I just want love. I don't want fame, I just want trust. Why they all trying to knock me down? They should all know I'm
Yo.
way up. And I wonder what it feels like.
Are you good?
When dreams are realized. When they gon' realize.
Dude, that last part kicked a bunch of snow at me. That's great. Matthew, you kicked a bunch of snow at me when you were turning. Oh, dude, I love getting that on. Yeah, you kicked a bunch at me. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. And this? Oh my god.
So deep. Wow.
Right?
Pick it up.
They want to go out to the road.
Pick up the inner tube.
Any last words?
I won't see you guys for a couple of weeks. I'm gonna get grounded. But content.
They're going on the road. And there they go.
What? Not good? Not good? Where are we moving it?
Wow.
Hey, pull out the front.
What?
I'll just watch you guys fail.
Oh, we're so screwed.
Okay, I'll actually help.
Matthew, am I getting in?
There's a car coming from the other way.
Just wait.
Oh, they're gonna wait. Okay, the car just passed. I think they're gonna turn around.
Yeah, I'ma tell her how it is. Dreaming about doing this, never fit into the mix. Knew that I gotta move quick. Never be sitting down cause I be missing out everything I gotta get. Gotta sell 25 tickets to get on the stage and I'll never forget. They don't believe in me, they want the money they steal from me. I kept my confidence cause I know what it is. I put in time and now nobody's staring me. Whole time I was in school, writing rhymes in my dorm room. Took 6 years of long days. I'm 23 like MJ. I'm here.
Was that fun?
What?
Was that fun?
That was hella fun. Dude, I want to get permission and then go a little bit further. Because since it's so flat, I can drift back and forth. You see what I was doing?
Yeah, I did.
You were spitting stuff at me. That was fun.
They're going back on the the road.
Maybe I'm lost, maybe the journey must come with a cost. Nothing is free, that's what I'm told. All of this missing, I've been getting old. Hope it's all worth it, nothing for certain. Maybe I'll see, but right now I don't know. Yeah, the money good, but my life tough. I've been happy and been rough. I sacrifice all the better times, just hoping that it all pays off. I know now I don't speak enough. It's been hard just keeping up with the good days. Need better ones, don't stress out, I'ma let it come, I know.
Yeah. Yep. What? Go. Okay. I can barely see out of this thing.
Check behind, make sure there's no park.
You're good.
Look at this, it's so much smoother than the house. Can you imagine this pump with the energy?
that'd be, oh, there's a car. That'd be fun.
They're gonna pass that car.
Dude, you like that drift?
The snow is deep. Jeez. Fun time?
Yep.
Great.
Watch out, Brady. You gotta move.
Park on the quad.
Watch out.